Next, we're going to move into step 4, where we'll install our theme and plugins and load in a template for the website. But before we do that, we need to quickly understand our WordPress dashboards. Whenever you sign up with Hostinger, you actually get 2 different WordPress dashboards. Right now we have the Hostinger WordPress dashboard selected, and you can tell that here on the left-hand side. If you want to configure anything regarding your Hostinger domain or your hosting plan, you can do that here. But if you want to access information regarding your actual WordPress website, go to the left-hand side and click on Dashboard. That's going to open up your primary WordPress dashboard here. And by default here, you're going to see a lot of different screen elements. But if you scroll down here, you'll see stuff like your site health status. You can create drafts for blog posts, and you'll have some other miscellaneous settings here. Whenever I create a new website, I like to scroll up to the top and open up the screen options. And from here, I'll just go ahead and deselect everything. And it's going to give us a nice clean starting point. And if you want to add back in any of these different screen elements, you can absolutely do so. In my case, I'm just going to leave all of these deselected and close the screen options. And now we have a nice clean WordPress dashboard. Next, let's go ahead and install our theme. Go to the left-hand side here and find the Appearance tab. From here, click into Themes. And by default, you'll have the 2025 theme activated. But we're going to go ahead and switch to a different theme called Astra. Astra is one of the most beginner-friendly themes, and it gives us access to a library of free templates that we'll use to customize our website later. It's also super beginner-friendly, and it's perfect for almost any kind of WordPress website out there. To get access to that theme, let's go down and click on Add Theme. Then go to the top right, click in, and search for Astra. You'll see the Astra theme appear here. Go ahead and click on Install. Once it's installed, click on Activate. And now you have the Astra theme installed and activated on your WordPress website. Start by closing out of this banner here. And now you'll see that the current active theme is Astra.